Hello guys, welcome back to Roblox. We are here in Retail Tycoon, joined by Robot today. We are going to be making a tutorial of how to make a trolley park made by my friend over there, not Robot. So, let's get into this. I'm also typing at the same time, guys. So let's get into this. So first you want to choose a car park that you do not want to use. I'm going to use, I honestly don't know. I'm going to use this one because it's, oh, I know, okay. I'm going to wait until a car leaves. Oh no, there's a rubber. Oh, I'll let my guards do that. I need to, where is it? There. Alright, who's going to leave first? Here. Wow. Hang on. Once that car leaves, guys, where my cursor is, no. Yeah, once this black car here leaves, this one in front of the door, I'm going to make the trolley park. Okay, I'll make it over there then. Nice. Okay, now we go into walls and go into this. Let's also spice up the... Okay. Never mind. OMG. Don't know if he used 4 or 2. I think he used 2. No, he used a 3. There and there. And then for the back, it's 2. Oh, and back it's 2 like that. And now I just have to get this, go concrete, right there. Oh, he has the game pass, that explains it. Anyways, guys, note that this does not work. It's just for fun doing this. I don't know what roof to use, so I'm just going to use this roof. Don't forget to add some lights before you add the trolley things. Oh god, can't find it. Let's use these lights, because I think he used these lights as well. Maybe just place one at the front and ceiling tile missing. Alright. It's not missing. Oh, well, I'll just add it in the middle then. There. Okay, now we go back into decoration. Ooh, I don't know how we did this. Let's just write trolley on that. No, that's totally not how we did it. Oh well guys, all I know is that he did actually place a bunch of them. Let's just write trolley on it. God. I read that wrong. Like that. And you just went like that and bam, you had it like that. So, yeah guys, I hope, well, that works. Well, if you know actually how to add decals, let me know in the comment section down below, but for now, this is one of the most useless trolley parks in Retail Tycoon. Yeah. And see you in the next one. Goodbye.